official room tour. So first, you can see behind me, this is the view outside of our room. We've got a view of the courtyard with Pongo and Perdita, the massive statues outside are really cool. We're able to have this view, but if we turn around, go ahead and head in. Never get it on the first try. Okay. Now, this is a preferred room at Disney's All-Star Movies. Preferred just means close to the front, but it is a standard size for the value rooms. So this right here is the Murphy bed, and I'm actually going to put it up really quick, just so you can see. Oh! I just smacked my knee. I'm good. So first we're going to put this up so you can see what this looks like. We actually have a table. The chairs are over there. We're keeping them over there. But this kind of folds up and allows for more space. And this actually used to be in this room. This was part of the refurbishment. But on this side is a nightstand. It's got two plugs, two USB plugs, or USB ports, and then some storage underneath, and then a lot of space underneath here for storage as well. And then over here, we've got two shelves, a little like mini kitchen area, coffee maker, and then drawer with coffee, tea, cups, creamer, sugar, stir sticks, things along those lines. And then mini fridge down here. So now, this area right here, TV, nice size, definitely a lot bigger than when we were last here, which was in 2018. And then 3 drawers for storage over here, safe, and then 2 extra shelves for just more storage. I've got my clothes there. And then I've actually got 2 more plugs, 2 USB ports. It looks like 2 more as well. So here, nightstand and phone with even more plugs and storage space. And then the main bed. Really like the artwork in here, by the way. And the ring lights are a really cool touch. And then there's another nightstand with more plugs and USB ports. Storage underneath, and underneath these beds is, both of them, there's a lot of space for storage. Okay, so the bathroom door is a slider, and then it's actually got some hanging hooks for bags, but here into the bathroom. Sink, shelving, storage shelves, and then kind of like bar lights around the mirror. I think those are really cool. And then off to the right, underneath there's more storage, and then behind here there is actually a ironing board. Here is the shower, glass doors, pretty big shower head, standard, and then they've also got the pumps now in the value rooms. Is there anything else? Oh yes, there's slide. This does lock, but this door also does slide. Did I miss anything? Well, I think that pretty much sums it up. That is our official room tour, All-Star Movies room.